In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the invoice number in QuickBooks Online. If you're managing your business finances with QuickBooks and find that you need to update or customize your invoice numbers, you're in the right place. We'll carefully walk through the steps to help make the process seamless and efficient. First, let's ensure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. This icon is crucial because it opens up the settings menu where we can access the necessary configurations for invoices. After clicking the gear icon, look for the option labeled Account and Settings. Click on that and you'll see a new menu pop up. Here you'll want to click on Sales from the list on the left-hand side. This section contains all the settings related to your sales forms, including invoices. Now, under the Sales Form Content section, you'll notice a small pen icon. Clicking this will allow us to edit certain aspects of the sales forms. Here, look for the option to toggle on custom transaction numbers. By enabling this option, QuickBooks will allow you to manually enter and modify invoice numbers according to your preferences. Once you've done that, remember to click Save and then Done to confirm the changes. This adjustment will activate a field specifically for invoice numbers on your sales forms, which gives you the flexibility to input or change them as needed. Now that you've enabled custom transaction numbers, it's time to edit an invoice number. To do this, go back to the main menu and click on Sales in the left-hand sidebar, then select Invoices. This will take you to a list of all your current invoices. Find and open the specific invoice you'd like to modify. Once the invoice is open, click the Edit button, often represented by a pencil icon, which will open the invoice in edit mode. Scroll to locate the field labeled Invoice No. Here you can enter the new invoice number that you prefer. Be sure to avoid special characters and keep your numbering sequence consistent to avoid confusion or duplication. After you've entered the new number, click Save and Close to finalize your changes. A handy tip to note, if you wish to reset or change the starting invoice number for future invoices, simply set the desired number in the invoice numbers field of the latest invoice, and QuickBooks will increment from there automatically. This is incredibly useful for businesses aiming to start fresh numbering sequences for a new fiscal year or after revamping their documentation system. And that's it! You've successfully changed an invoice number in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to explore more tutorials on managing your QuickBooks Online transactions. Thanks for watching and have a great day.